I love the poo tray that's on the H2Ds. I got them open here. And they work really good, right? But there's not one I'm in love with on K2. And I've done a bunch of them myself, and I'm not really thrilled. So I designed one that uses the same buckets that are on this one. So this one on the right, and the magnets, I should have defuzzed it. Magnets hold it on there. And the way I have it set up, and you always do this while the machine's running, of course, is that this goes right, the leg on this side goes in here, and this kind of just puts some weight on it to hold it there. And then get the cord out of the way. And then the magnets help keep it tight against the machine. And the air vents are pretty much open. So let me spin this around, and I'll show you the way the poo tray works. So the tray has this on it. So it's kind of locked on there. Pretty cool, huh? Now I may have to raise that top up a little bit. I'll have to see how the poo hits, but I don't know. It's hard to see, but I might need to raise it up a little bit. The guy who designed this one put this extra cover on there, and I might do the same thing just because it's a good idea. So yeah, let's do that. Last piece is done. I guess I should take that one too, huh? So here's the last piece, and I designed it to go like this. So you can put a little glue on it, but it should have snapped. Huh. All right, I'm going to have to fix a little snapper on it, but that's the idea. The final version is complete. It's always good to do this while the printer's running, but get under the leg there, get your cord out of the way. Oop, didn't get under the leg all the way. There we go. Magnets are holding it good. And then we take our little top piece here that I've addressed, fix that so it's on there good, a string there, and then our bucket. Ta-da! I have uploaded my version of the K2 Plus Poo Slide. Works with the HKR Poo system. Now you do need to go to the creator of the H2D version to download the accessories, because I don't want to be remixing his stuff, but I did want to make a version that would work with his stuff. So I have it on Maker World, and I also have posted on printables.com because there's a lot of K2 stuff over at Printables. And it's number 1336262 at Printables, is number, I think, 1544392 on Maker World. So go check it out. I think it's a very nice working poo system, and the removable buckets and how they work is awesome from HKR. So go check it out.